The purpose of this ICT product is to collect different data through GIS technology and show them and their interactions in a user-friendly way through a specific web interface. The main topic of the first platform is to monitor the social perception of decay of historic built areas in Mantova. Some data were already available. They are a selection of data from the Territorial Information System of Mantova, for example, public and private property. Other data have been collected by scratch through specific surveys, for example, ground floors use and building predominant use, facade state of conservation, building typologies examination. Available data and collected data compose the cloud for GIS data. Web applications based on GIS data make possible the use and the interface of this data to a general audience without specific competencies or software. Web-GIS technologies like GIS Cloud give the possibility to involve citizens or institutions, associations, etc. in the data collection. Users can fill a form and, once PA technicians validated the data, reports could be shown on the map. Reports and suggestions from citizens could be uploaded in the cloud for GIS data, so this database is now composed by data from crowdsourcing, thematic layers, and one or more basic maps. Storing digital data in multiple layers is not unique to GIS, but what it is important about map overlay is its ability to generate a new data layer as a product of existing layers. For example, which are the monuments within areas perceived as neglected? On the BhENEFIT's website, there is a landing page that depicts the project and brings the users to the platform. You can enter the platform through the web portal or the mobile version. The expected users of the platform are citizens, organizations, and associations that use the platform to report situations of deterioration. The local government officials who will process the data and report the results. Once entered in the platform, the users find the explanation of the platform and of the project. This platform enables users from all around Central Europe to use it. Each user could fill the questionnaire, including information about its city, answering the questions. The users can also look at the uploaded data. The public administration can decide which data to show publicly within the platform. For example, there are data on the ground floor use, on predominant use, on building typologies, on the conservation status, and on the degree of use. To start the questionnaire, it is necessary to identify the point the user wants to indicate, set the location, and then start the questionnaire. Then you fill the format answering the questions. You can also upload photos. At the technical level, the goal is to identify and monitor the areas to be regenerated. At the strategic level, the goal is to define the actions to be taken by putting in relation the characteristics of the area with their states of degradation. Let's enter in the back-office interface. The interface of the queryable map includes a toolbar with tools for basic operation with maps, for example, zoom in, zoom out, print tool, measuring tools. A legend with a list of all layers in the map. It is always shown. A map view. A map display of visible layers and cartographic features. It is always shown. An info panel. Attribute info about selected feature. It is shown when a feature is selected. Final users from public administration that need a specific expertise or software to monitor ongoing phenomena. The analysis of the technical data with the data collected from the civil society will allow the municipality to identify areas to be subjected to regeneration on the basis of decay conditions defined at different levels and of inhabitants' decay perception. Thanks to monitoring, it will be possible to define regeneration policies and possible process to provide facilities for the recovery, reuse and renewal of existing city and building heritage.